Yeah, look what we got here this morning. Hey, Mama. Number 12. Hey, Mama. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. It's got a little white huff on him. Let's see if you can find the bread basket there. Come on, you're close. You're close, open the mouth. I want to see him eat here before I go to work. Okay, new calf on the farm today. Happy Saturday to everybody, by the way. I gotta work for a couple hours. I guess there's worse problems in the world, but be back this afternoon to get plenty of other things done. That's what you want. Come on, get out here. There you go. Mutt. You don't need that junk. So that's my feeding box, bud box setup. We'll walk through that at some point here. People will be like, why the hell you got 3 gates? 3 gates in a row. I got a door latch on the tractor that's effing up too. It likes to stick sometimes from the outside, doesn't stick from the inside. So we gotta take the door latch apart and see if we can adjust it, or we gotta replace it, or what we gotta do there. Alright, off to work for me, guys. Alright, since I didn't get to show you yesterday, we got a truckload of happiness here. Half-inch plate, 4x4, 16 gauge steel 4x8, and 4 10-foot sticks of 3/4 inch angle iron. Stay tuned for that future project. That half-inch plate steel is a little over 300 pounds. So, and the damn pallet forks are kind of hard to see. If you can see in there. Not sure what the date is. 18th, somewhere in there. Look what we got here. Looky here. Little skinny mini. But she's kind of getting a belly on her in the last 2 days. See how her hip bones aren't sticking out so bad like they were. We just gave her a bottle. You see the bottle over there, but she's doing alright. She's calming down too. She's not so wild. She don't really care when I come in here. She knows it's coming. Food's coming. She's already actually eaten quite a bit of hay. So we're going to go round her up a little bit of better quality hay. I assumed that we were just going to be using it for bedding, but she's munching, so we're going to give her some good quality stuff to munch on. What do you think? Huh? Oh yeah. Get that camera. Get that camera. You like that? What do you think, huh? Yeah? No? Huh? We'll get you riled up a little bit. Scratch that head. Huh? What do you think? It's about 7:30, quarter to 8 in the evening right now. I'm on the southwest corner of my property. If you can see that little orange gate over there, that is the very corner of my property. Back here, working on clearing brush. You can see I got brush pile there. There's another one right behind those birch trees. Before it gets dark, I'm going to take out this little section in here in this birch tree. We're just trying to take out some of this brush. Obviously, brush, when it's leaves and all that, it's going to take nutrients from the ground that would grow grass. That's my philosophy anyway. At some point, once I get all this cleared out, I would like to get in here and do some tillage. But, oh my God. So, John wanted to know what it would look like out here in the woods. Rock, 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 rock. So, in about 4 square feet, there's 5 surface rocks. 6, including that smaller one. 7. Okay. Now, the soil's not terrible for the first couple inches. And let's see here. I don't have a shovel, but it's pretty much the same thing. We'll come out here with the shovel and do a soil test at some point, but it's pretty darn hard to put a shovel in the ground out here. I'm gonna have my work cut out for me trying to do any kind of tillage. Wow. Alrighty then. Well, I got that cleaned up. Other than there's a couple of little stragglers there that need a little zing-zang, as Ryan would say. Straight Pipe Acres, by the way. If you guys aren't familiar with Straight Pipe Acres, jump over and check out his channel. Ryan's good shit. Yeah, that ain't freaking half bad, huh? Compared to what we started with about 35-40 minutes ago. Like I said, we're gonna cut in this way and head back toward the fence line. And hell, we got there's a lot of firewood sticks in there. The little Kubota's loaded down pretty good. Other than I need put some sideboards on that damn thing so I can stack her a little higher. She squats pretty good, but the hell with it, she bottoms out, doesn't matter. Nice thing about having that powertrain mounted solid to your suspension, you don't have to worry about it. Once she bottoms out, you ain't flexing nothing. For a 12 horsepower machine, I'm super impressed. I mean, I use the damn thing almost every day, especially in the summertime. So, hopefully we'll be back out here tomorrow. Cut some more, grab some more in the morning probably. You can see the camera does a heck of a lot better job enhancing the light than what it really is. I mean, it's about twice as light on a phone as it is for me personally. Of course, I'm half blind in one eye and don't give a fuck in the other, so that might matter. Oh, and beer. Oh shit, I should have rolled the bale the other way. I should have rolled it the other way. It unrolls the other way, but it'll work. Now we bust that top layer like so. Set that down, back up to peel this one back. That didn't work. One hand stand's not doing a very good job this morning. Now we gotta go give the bulls and horses a bale too. They don't need one yet, but I gotta get one more. I thought the last one was the last one, but this one's gonna have to be the last one. Maybe the cows will just unroll it for me, huh? Oh well. Look at you. That's good enough. Calfy calves? 31 heifer calf. What do you think? Is that good stuff, guys, or what? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? No? You gonna run away? What do you guys think? Hey, look at you. Look at you. Aren't you gonna be a nice little bull calf? Huh? Think about that. And that heifer right there, that one. That's gonna be a nice heifer calf too. Phew. I have to get these guys banded. My God. Windy out. Alright. Go do something else. Alright, let's go feed the bulls and horses. Check on our protein tubs that we put out yesterday, HE20. Bang, that one's good. Just doing a drive-by. That one's good too. Mint. Shouldn't be so hyper in the morning, you know that, right? Y'all asses better get out of the way. I didn't go as far as I wanted. Hopefully the bulls will push her down the hill. I'm hoping. I'll go push it down the damn hill. All right, well. Damn it, it's still windy. Okay, so. As you can see, look at your fence line. We got posts that fell over, whatever. I know where the ends are anyway. You can see that fence line goes down. That's going to be the permanent location. I've fucked around with putting in temporary fence for years out here on that line. I'm done with it. We're just putting in a good fence. So that's part of today's project. We also need to shore up the fence line on the back. Not the one you can see, the one that's actually over the damn hill. So the one that you can see needs to come out. But we got to get to work on this one. So you know what that means. That old hard-hitting bitch. I'm gonna have to sling that a few times today. We don't have the excavator to push the damn things in with, so whatever. Look here. Couple of disc sections. Tuck them under my arm. I got a use for those already this afternoon. Well, at least one of them. Well, there, the fence posts are pounded in. I gotta see if I can get the 3-point auger on the back of the tractor. It's a lot nicer to put that damn thing on there with the excavator. I can just chain sling it on there. Not having this excavator is really frying my ass right now. We gotta finish getting that tore apart later, but I only got so much damn time. And while it's daylight, I gotta use it. We gotta get this pasture ready. It doesn't look like much now, but in a few days, hopefully. I was out and about yesterday. I noticed almost everybody local already has their cattle out on pasture because the hay supply is getting so thin. I'm not quite there yet. I'm not ready for that. We gotta have a little bit more jump, so we shall see what happens here. I'm gonna have to buy at least one load of hay, for sure. I had to make a little modification to my fencing setup for the back of the Kubota. The electric wire would not slide onto the same spindle that I had the barbed wire on. I had a piece of 3/4 inch galvanized pipe on her. The hole in the center of that electric spool, big enough for that. So we made ourselves an adapter. Now we can spool both at the same time if we want to. But that just slips into the top there. The whole assembly goes into the 2-inch receiver down on the bottom. As you can see, just a couple little disc sections. Works pretty darn well. Guys, I hope everyone had a great weekend, at least a better one than I did. And, alright, we're on the road to go get some hay from Mr. John Stevens. Well, I got John's loading me with some hay bales here. As you can see, we had a tire that didn't make it. If you haven't, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell, get my notifications. Leave a question or comment down below. Stop in on a Wednesday night and say hi. We'll see you guys again next time.